Have you ever used Amazon's Simple Notification Service, SNS?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful messaging service designed for both application-to-application and application-to-person communication.
That's interesting. How does it work?
It uses a publish-subscribe model where publishers send messages to subscribers who receive them through topics.
Can you explain more about topics?
Topics are access points for message publishing. They can have policies that define message publishing and subscription permissions.
That sounds complicated. Why is it important to configure it effectively?
Effective configuration ensures that messages are delivered to the right subscribers at the right time. It also helps in managing costs and reducing complexity.
That makes sense. What are some use cases for Amazon SNS?
It's used for sending notifications, alerts, and updates. For example, an e-commerce site can use SNS to notify customers about order updates or shipping information.
Wow, that's impressive. How can I learn more about configuring Amazon SNS?
AWS has a comprehensive guide that provides a step-by-step walkthrough on how to configure it effectively.
That's great! I'll definitely check it out.
It's worth it. By following the guide, you'll gain a deep understanding of Amazon SNS and acquire the skills needed to configure it effectively for your specific use cases.